Porch Real Estate. In this video, we're going to give you a brief tutorial of your professional email, which is through Google Suite. So as you can see here, I'm in the inbox. To compose a message, you would just click on Compose. And everyone's emails are going to come preloaded with some canned responses. So if you click down here in the bottom right-hand corner of the Compose box, you're going to see canned responses. That's going to open up some responses for you where you could put in a few emails for your clients and some other helpful emails that will make life a little bit more efficient for you. So that's an example of a canned response. We'll already have your email signature set up for you in your inbox, so you won't have to worry about setting that up. That should be done for you. Please reach out if that has not been completed. Next thing we'll show you, if you hover over an email, to the right you're going to see a few icons pop up. You can archive an email right from the inbox. You can delete that email. You can mark a read email as unread, and if you go to an email that has not been read, you can mark it as read. And you can also snooze an email to a later date that might be a little bit more convenient for you to respond. Another cool feature are going to be these icons right here to the right. You can access your calendar directly from your inbox. A couple different views for this. You can see your daily view. If you click on the three dot options here, you can switch to a schedule view to see all of your upcoming events. The yellow icon here is for Google Keep. You can take notes. That's Google's note-keeping software. And then the third option here is Task. Task is a really cool feature. You can set up separate lists for different tasks to categorize them. Really cool thing about Task, though, is you can open an email that maybe you just can't get to right away. And if you click on the three dots here at the top of the email, you can add it to your task. And you can see it's been added right here as a task. So if I am busy and come back to that a few days down the road, I open my task menu, I can see the task that I've added, and I can click on the email link and it will open the email that I saved as a task. Also within the Google Suite, if you click on the Tray tab, you'll be able to see all the apps that you have access to. We've got full access to Google Calendar, Google Docs, Sheets, Drive, Slides, and many more apps. Hopefully this tutorial has been helpful. Please reach out if you guys have any more questions on the Google Suite.